This is a absolutely fantastic ride to do. Via Santa Rosa. This is a little fun ride. It is nothing really special, but I know that in Southern California, us motorcycle riders, we want to find little roads, little things that kind of aren't necessarily jam-packed. And that's what this is. You know, I find these little ones like I did in Bonsall, you know, just little side roads. Well, that's what this is all about. Apologize for the wind. It is definitely windy. But just hold on tight. I'm going to show you what this is all about. So before I get deep into this trail, I've done it a couple times. Really appreciate it since it's been repaved. You know, I was able to get a little bit more into it. But this is a solid 3. It's nothing huge. There's nothing like, you know, super long or anything. It's just basically a back road. It is technically a loop. There is no, like, you know, you can't technically get out from another perspective. I'll show you that. But basically, this is just like a fun little kickback, you know. So if you guys ever are in the Temecula area, San Diego is technically right over there. This is Temecula, you know, and you're just looking for, I mean, this road right here. Let me look at this. It's just a fun kickback, smooth road. Now, I will say that on this road, there is definitely some private, you know, this is majority all private residents, but this is a public road, so it's not like it's private. But, you know, I decided to do this one just for the fun of it because, you know, it's the same roads, the same big stuff. Well, doing some of these little guys are sometimes fun. Look at that fantastic house right there. Wow. I mean, the guy has a waterfall at the beginning of his gate. I mean, but look at this. It's just a fun little kickback, you know, road. And I think, you know, if you're on the East Coast and you're in like North Carolina, Virginia and stuff, you get a lot more of this. But I mean, but look right here. That's a perfect, you know, little screenshot right there. But this is just, it's just a cute little side road, you know. So if you're in the Temecula area, you don't feel like going on the 79, you can hit this one up. And this is a fun, I mean, look, it's literally going up and down. And it's not too fast. This is just a kickback, have fun, you know. This is a hard left, so definitely get ready to turn left. See, all private roads and all that fun stuff up here. But you can just clearly see it's just a fun little road runner, you know, little kickback road. And I thought, you know what? See, there's your wind. I thought, instead of always doing the famous roads and doing these little back roads are sometimes the funner to me. Because especially if you're learning to ride a motorcycle, and you want to go where there's less traffic, sometimes these are type of the roads, rock, that you want to do. And, you know, they're not necessarily the best. I mean, they have a little bit of gravel, like right here. There was no indicator on that one, so you could just... If you're going too fast, you would go off to the ditch. But, you know, I mean, look at this. This cute little road. There's nobody on it, and other than if you get a residential, you know, but it's just kickback. It's just fun. I mean, This is just fantastic little road. Me personally, one reason why I like this road is how much it goes up and down. Now obviously you wouldn't want to go, you know, going too fast to get all the neighbors here upset, and I apologize if you live here and you catch this video and you do see it. I'm not endorsing people going speeding or doing something stupid, but you know, this is like literally, it's like on a, this is like a track for street bikes, this road. So if you haven't done it and you feel like just doing it for fun of it, you'll see it's only about 5 minutes. But it's fun. I mean, I have a blast doing this road. Okay, so now we're at the very beginning again. Now, the cool thing about this road is where you just saw me go down this way, you can now do a loop if you want to. You know, so if you felt like going back and forth and just kind of practicing, and you're in the Temecula area or, you know, northern San Diego, then just do the loop. You know, obviously don't be stupid and get the neighbors all upset, because then they'll just start posting cops and, you know, stuff like that. But if you feel like just having fun coming out here, this is a cute little road to do it on. And the reason again why I'm pointing it out is because it's very isolated. If you notice, look, there's nobody on this road. So these are the little gems that I like giving out to my audience or anybody else who rides motorcycles in Southern California and they want to have fun. That's it. Now going here, going left, this is now another way. So the one way we came in was off of this road. I'm just going to put it on the screen, I forgot the name of it, but this is the other way to come in this way. Now this way again, very similar to what we just saw before. So I'm adding this road as well to my thing because, oh wait, this is not it. Yeah, it's to the left. Is this one right here? Sorry. Sorry, if you went straight, that is the dead end. This is now the back way to get to the other side of the entrance. So there's two entrances. The way that normally I take from Duluth, I forgot the road, but I'll put it down already. Or this way to get onto that road back there. So the road, the reason why I'm not necessarily like super keen on this one is because of the gravel. I mean, right here, right off the bat, you guys see all the gravel. Yeah, here, right here. People are like, oh yeah, Clinton. Yeah, right here, buddy. Yeah. Oh, look at all the gravel. So when you do this road coming the other direction, be careful. Ooh, I hate gravel, man. Woo. Ugh. There you go. Ugh, God. Oh, that bottomed out too hard. Oh. Look at that though. Look at that. Whee! It's like a roller coaster. I'm gonna call this road the roller coaster. You know? This is the roller coaster, guys. It reminds me back on my dirt biking days, hill climbing. Oh, see, now I ain't taking this fast because I don't trust cars, and no. Ugh. I think that, no, that's not the way. I think this is the way as well. Ooh, bump. Ugh. That's why I do these roads, guys. My MRC motorcycle rides in California, that's what this is all about. You know, I have fun. I want to show you guys different roads, trails, and stuff that maybe you just never done. I know it's redundant, but again, I bet you a lot of guys, oh, that's right. Look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Well, that's a good thing I didn't go that way. Oh well. I must have looked it wrong on the map. Huh. Well, you want to know why this road is so empty? There you go. It doesn't go anywhere. Oh, let's go explore right here. I'm kind of curious. Via Gordon, it doesn't say dead end. Ooh, big ol' bump. Well, let's see where it goes. Oh, there it is. And now I'm back at the loop. Wait, no. No, that's not it.
Idiot sandwich.
Idiot sandwich what?
An idiot sandwich stuck ram.
Wow. Well, hey. Let's go explore. There's a stop ahead. Okay. Okay. Oh, boom. Huh. Okay, guys. That was part of the other road. Wow. Okay. Well, on my video, I'll mark it beforehand.
Let's watch my favorite part again, shall we?
That's a perfect, you know, little screenshot right there. But this is just, it's just a, so, but here we go. We're going to do our loop again. Hey, pretty cool. All right. See, I just watched something new on that one. I thought there wasn't a connector over there, but obviously I'm wrong. Oh, freaking coyote. Well, there you go, guys and gals. I hope you enjoyed this little one. In general, like I said, guys, ride smart, be smart, don't do drugs. But I thought throwing these little ones out there are fun. So, guys, if you're new to the channel and you see this, it'll help me quite a bit if you give a like and, you know, at least forward it or share or whatever to your buddies. So, same Roadrunner. I'll see you again. But, yeah, guys, just do whatever you can to help the channel. And other than that, I hope you have a fantastic day. I hope you enjoyed this little fun little dude. And again, all I can say is when you guys do it, please be respectful to the homeowners around this vicinity. You know, we don't want to make it so they start posting signs or doing anything to make it a private road or anything of that nature, okay? So, other than that, guys, enjoy the rest of your day. Have fun. Like I said, I called this the roller coaster. And there you go. Take care, guys. Enjoy. Bye.